How to use Zelle with First Citizens Bank. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Zelle with First Citizens Bank. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money directly between almost any bank account in the US, typically within minutes. With just an email address or US mobile phone number, you can send money to people you know and trust regardless of where they bank. Ask your recipient to enroll with Zelle before you send them money. This will help them get your payment more quickly. Since money is sent directly from your bank account to another person's bank account within minutes, it's important to only send money to people you trust. First, always ensure you've used the correct email address or US mobile number. To get started, log into the First Citizens National Bank mobile app and select Send Money with Zelle. Now enter your email address or US phone number, receive a one-time verification code, enter it, accept the terms and conditions, and you're finished. To send money using Zelle, simply select someone from your mobile device's contacts. Next, add the amount you would like to send and an optional memo, review, then hit Send. To request money using Zelle, choose Request and select the individual from whom you would like to request money. Then enter the amount you would like to request, include a note, review, and hit Request. To receive money, just share your enrolled email address or US mobile phone number with a friend and ask them to send you money with Zelle. To send payment requests or split payment requests to a US mobile number, the mobile number must already be enrolled with Zelle. If you have already enrolled with Zelle, you do not need to take any further action. The money will move directly into your bank account, typically within minutes.